again, I'm wide awake, wondering if I've made a big mistake. But every fear's a quiet sign that something new is coming alive. I walked away from what I knew, a 9 to 5, the title too. Now I'm building life from the inside out, finding my truth through fear and doubt. This is the rebuild blueprint, where courage starts again. For every piece that's fallen, we learn how to rise within. It's not too late, it's right on time. Your second act, your greatest climb. Welcome to the rebuild blueprint, where we begin again. We're not starting from zero, we're starting from strength. All those years and lessons, they brought us here at last. To this depth, this is the rebuild blueprint, and love leads the way. For every doubt that